Hi guys, so this is my first YouTube video and I am doing it on, excuse my remote. I'm doing it on my lash kit that I ordered from Amazon. It was about $40. That's what it comes with. Well, it kind of comes with everything you need to get started. Your lash remover, your cleanser, your glue, your tape, your blower, individual strips so that you can practice, clusters, and then also minks. You also get your mannequin head. As you can see, I did start to do some lashes. Excuse the glue. This is actually my first time ever doing it. I started out doing the clusters because I was a little frustrated trying the individuals right here, as you can see. But I'm going to try these on this eye over here. So I'm going to be moving this over here to this side. Excuse my little mess on the mannequin. But I think I kind of did a good job on my first time doing clusters. So I'm just still letting it dry so that I can see if I need to fill it in anymore and get started over here. So stay tuned.